Question 7. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 180. How many bananas?
क्या 180 क्या છે? અહીંયા તો 60 દેખાડે છે સરની સ્ક્રીનમાં.
60. How many bananas can be purchased for 12.50?
12 rupees 50 પૈસા. નાઉ લિસન, અહીંયા 180 જો ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં હોય તો પણ સમ થશે અને 60 રૂપીસ અહીંયા હશે જેની ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં એમાં પણ સમ થશે. નો નીડ ટુ વરી ઓફ ધેટ. ઓકે
Sir. Okay.
સમજાય છે બેટા? નાઉ 4 dozen bananas for rupees 60 they have said. So let us come to the answer column. Cost of 4 dozen banana એટલે 4 dozen, એક ડઝનમાં કેટલા આવે? 12 આવે, તો 4 ડઝનમાં 48 આવે કે ના આવે? 48 piece of bananas. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? તો 4 dozen બનાનાના 60 rupees, તો 48 બનાનાસના કેટલા? 1 બનાનાના કેટલા? એ આપણે સોલ્વ કરવો પડશે બેટા. Girls, are you getting my point? 4 dozen બનાનાના 60 rupees છે, તો આપણે ડઝન બનાના એટલે 48 બનાનાના 60 rupees બતાવે છે અહીંયા કે નથી બતાવતા? તો આપણે 1 બનાનાની કોસ્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કરીને પછી આપણે કોસ્ટ જોવી પડશે કે 12.50 રૂપીસમાં કેટલા બનાનાસ આવે છે. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
સમજાય છે.
સમજાય જ ને બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
हाँ सर.
હેલો, ઓકે, ચલો લેટ અસ ગો થ્રુ એન્ડ ડુ ધીસ. Cost of 48 bananas, 4 dozen, okay, which brings you 48 pieces.
Yes.
Is equal to 60 rupees. Cost of 1 banana is equal to how much? Now cross multiply. 1 will be multiplied by 60 rupees upon 48. Any doubt with this? Share doubt koine?
No, sir.
So what will be the answer? 1 upon 2. Sorry, 1 upon 8 will be the answer. Now 1 upon 8 ne apne, sorry, અહીંયા 1 upon 8 નથી, 4 upon 5 is our answer. Sorry, so sorry. સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? Now 4 upon 5 will be as it is. 4 upon 5 ને આપણે ક્યાંય મૂકવાનો થતો નથી. Whatever we do calculate, we will get 4 upon 5 as our last answer. We cannot calculate any more after that. Is that clear? Let us try to calculate. 2 30s are 60. Yes. 2 24s are 48. 2 15s are 2 12s are. બરાબર છે?
Yes.
3 4s, sorry, 3 5s are, it will be 5 upon 4. It will be 5 upon 4, huh? Sorry. The answer will be 5 upon 4 here. Any doubt with this?
Sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. One more thing we can do. Instead of 4 dozen banana, can we take 1 dozen bananas amount? Let us try that way. So we will check agar anu calculation easy મળતું હોય તો. Okay? Instead of 4 dozen here, we will make 1 dozen to find 1 dozen banana. સમજ પડે છે શું કહેવા માંગુ છું?
Yes.
Now what we will do? Instead of 48 bananas, in the place of denominator, we will place 1 into 60 upon 4 dozen. સમજાણો શું કર્યું? 2 2s are 4, 2 30s are 60, 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. So you got 1 dozen banana with 15 rupees. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? Now what they want? They want cost of, wait, 1 dozen banana cost will be 15 rupees, correct? That's what we got. આપણે શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે? 12 rupees and 48 પૈસા ને. So in 15 rupees we will, in 15 rupees we can purchase 1 dozen banana. 1 dozen in bracket, and that will be 12 pieces of banana. Am I correct or wrong? Am I correct now?
Correct.
Okay. So in બીજા કેટલા રૂપિયા આપણે ચેક કરવાના છે? In what rupees we have to check? In question 12 rupees and 50 paisa. So in 12 rupees and 50 paisa, we can purchase how many bananas? Barabar. Now cross multiply here. Cross multiply થશે કે નહીં થાય? 12.50 rupees will be multiplied by 12 bananas upon 15 rupees. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
હા સર, સમજાય છે.
સમજાય છે ને? Now 12.50, we can easily do this as multiply, removing this decimal from 2 digit. We can place here 100 here. 0 0 got cancelled. 5 3s are 15. Sorry, 3 5s are 15. I'm so sorry. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 here. 5 1s are 5. 5 25s are 5 25s are 125. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So what is left? 1 into 1 denominator ma 1 house. 5 2s are 10 bananas. What is our answer?
Banana.
સમજ પડી સમ કે ના પડી? કેલ્ક્યુલેશન અહીંયા જે ટફ થતું હતું ને 5/4 કરીને જે થતું હતું, અને પછી આને આ વસ્તુ આપણે અહીંયા મૂકવાની હતી. That what I changed. I changed nothing else. What I did, instead of 48 bananas, I kept 4 dozen itself. 4 dozen na 60 rupees. So 1 dozen na ketla? 15 rupees. Now 1 dozen has how many pieces in that? 12 pieces. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? મેં થોડુંક આન્સરમાં ચેન્જ કરી નાખ્યું. ઇટ ઇઝ મેથડ આપણી કરી શકીએ, but the content should be correct. Now in 15 rupees we can purchase 1 dozen banana, which is 12 bananas. Yes or no? So in 12 rupees and 50 paisa, how many bananas can be purchased? That was the question. So in 12 rupees and 50 paisa, we can purchase how many bananas? Question mark. So cross multiply. 1250 multiplied by 12 upon 15. So 1250 by removing decimal 12.50, we can place 100 in denominator. Am I correct? समझाय છે કે નહીં? 1 2 5 0 multiply by 12. Again I am doing calculation here. Look here, 15 was in denominator as your rupees, and આનો decimal remove કર્યો, એનો 100 અહીંયા લઈ લીધું. Am I correct? Now 15 and 12 can be divided by table number 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. First step. બરાબર છે? This 0 and this 0 got cancelled. એટલે આમાંથી 10 વધ્યું, આમાંથી 125 વધ્યું. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 વધ્યું, 5 5s are 25. So 5 25s are 125, 5 1s are 5. Now what you left with? 25 4 in numerator and 10 in denominator. Got it? समझ पड़े छे? Now 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 વધ્યો, 5 and 2 cannot divide, 2 and 4 can divide, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 5 2s are 10 banana. Rest of all the thing is 1. So 1 has no value in denominator. समझ पड़ी calculation? Anybody has any doubt with this sum? Rabia, Moresa, Ilma, Aisha? Sure ne? Chalo, question number 7. Konotan to 8. 8. Konotan to 8. Yes, read. Yes.
Yes, sir. Cost of 4 dozen bananas. Sorry.
Question
The
number
weight
8,
of
chokri.
72. Yes, sir. The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books?
Now 72 books no કેટલો વજન છે? 9 kg. So if we find one book, weight of one book, we can find the weight of 40 such books. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? 72 total books છે, એના 9 kg વજન છે, તો one book નો આપણે વજન ગોતી લઈએ, then we can multiply with 40 such books. આપણા 40 નો મળી જશે. Very easy sum. આમાં કોઈ twisted કે કાઈ typical વસ્તુ નથી. Look here, the weight of 72 books is equal to 9 kg. So weight of one book will be question mark. So 1 will be 9 upon 72. Are you getting? So 1 upon 8 you got right here.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this? Girls?
No, sir.
Cost of, weight of 72 books is 9 kg. So weight of one book is equal to question mark, cross multiply 1. Kem? No guys? 1 will be multiplied by 9, 72 will be denominator. So 9 upon 72. 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72. So 1 upon 8 is the answer for the first content.
Yes, sir.
1 upon 8.
Yes.
1 upon 8 is the answer, girls. Yes. Now we have to find the weight of 40 such books. We have to find the weight of 40 such books. Right? So weight of 40 such books will be 1 upon 8 as it is multiplied by 40. If we write that one book is equal to weight is 1 upon 8, then 40 such books will be how much? Again, you have to do the cross multiplication only. So this will be multiplied by 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 8 multiplied by 40, we get 5 kg weight. Understood the sum? Girls?
Yes.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય કે
Yes.
નથી સમજાતું?
સમજાય છે, sir.
Jai.
Rabia, Odessa, Ilma, Aisha,
હા સર સમજાય છે.
હા સર
ખુદાનો શુકર. Question number 9, please.
સર તમે
Whose
ક્વેશ્ચન
turn
નંબર
is
9
this? Question number 9.
ઇન્સિયા ફાતેમા.
દીધો હતો.
Insia Fatima, where is she? પોતાનો નંબર યાદ ન રાખી શકતા હો કે who read the question number 9 fast? Girls, who is going to read question number 9?
સર કેન આઈ મોતેસા રાજાની.
Yes, Monisa, please.
Yes, sir. The truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1,650 kilometers?
108 liter of diesel will cover 594 kilometers, right?
Yes.
So distance, so 1 liter diesel માં કેટલા કિલોમીટર જાય છે, that is what we have to find first. Then whatever kilometer we get in 1 liter, we have to calculate with the same as for 1650 kilometers. Am I right?
Yes.
Look here. For covering 594 kilometer, a truck will require 108 liters. Understood? So for covering 1 kilometer, a truck will require how many liters of diesel? Cross multiply. One will be multiplied by, they took somewhat differently, but it's okay. Truck will require, so cross multiply 1 kilometer 108 upon 594. So you got 2 upon 11 as a remainder. There is no other calculation in 2 upon 11. Are you getting, girls? Now, for covering 1 kilometer of truck, it required 2 upon 11 liters of diesel. So for covering 1650 kilometer, a truck will require cross multiply. 2 upon 11 multiplied by 1650, total 300 liters. समझ पड़े छे के नहीं? The same thing what we did up till now. कोई नवी वस्तु नहीं बेटा. समझाय छे के नहीं?
સમજાય છે.
Let us do somewhat different way. Okay, chalo. In 108 liter of diesel, truck can travel the distance is equal to 594 kilometer છે ને? 594 kilometer? Yes. So in 1 liter of diesel, a truck can travel how much distance? Question mark. So cross multiply. समझाय छे के नहीं? 1 multiplied by 594 upon 108. Any doubt with this? Girls, any doubt with this?
No,
2
sir.
5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 year 2 9s are 18, 1 year 2 7s are 14. Now 3 સાથે જશે 3 Ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 3 sevens are 28, sorry, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Okay, nines are. So nines are and nines are. Okay. Over here, 9 twos are, 9 elevens are. So what is the answer? We got 11 upon 2. Any doubt with this? કેટલો આન્સર આવ્યો? 11 upon 2 kilometers in 1 liter. સમજાય છે? સમજાય છે કે નહીં? So what is the next content? In 1 liter, sorry, 11 upon 2 kilometers in 1 liter. આપણે ઓલું પૂછે છે ને કે in 1650 kilometers how many liters is required, right? So આપણે ઊંધું જ લખવાનું હવે. In નહીં, the distance, sorry, the distance traveled by truck (11 upon 2 kilometers) wait, I'm managing everything right here. Okay. In 1 liter of diesel, am I right? So the distance of 1650 kilometers required how much diesel? Now again cross multiply, girls. So 1650 multiply by 1 upon 11 upon 2. So it will be covered, multiply 2 upon 11. 2 upon 11. Any doubt with this? 11 upon 2 નું શું થઈ જશે? 2 upon 11. કેમ કે નીચે 11 upon 2 કરીએ તો denominator નું denominator ક્યાં આવ્યું જાય? Always in numerator. Understood? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
સમજાય છે.
So 11 ones are 11, 4 here, 11 fours are 44. 11 ones are 11 here, 5 here, 11 fives are 55, and 0 as it is. 11 150s are 1650. So 150 into 2s are 300 liters. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Therefore, for traveling 1650 kilometers, 300 liter of diesel is required. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir.
See, 300 liters are required. See the conclusion here. Okay, girls? Chalo. Who will read question number 10? Whose turn?
Sir, I am Fatima.
Chalo, jaldi. Okay.
Number 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for 150 rupees and
Very
Manish
good.
buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pen cheaper?
Cheaper એટલે કોણ સસ્તી પેન લાવ્યું? Are you getting? કોણે ફાયદામાં પેન આવી? So 10 pens ની cost આપેલી છે 150. So 1 pen we have to find here also. 7 pens ની cost આપેલી છે 84. So over here also we have to find 1 pen. So બંનેના નામનું અલગ-અલગ કાઉન્ટર પેલા લેવું પડશે આપણે. Then we can compare who got the expensive pen and who got the cheaper pen. Yes or no? સમજાય છે કે નહીં? આ ઓલરેડી કરી ચૂકેલા છે અહીંયા ક્યાંક આગળ સમ. So this is very easy sum. Raju purchased 10 pens for rupees 150. So Raju purchased 1 pen is equal to how much? Cross multiply 1 pen multiplied by 150 upon 10. So it is 15 rupees.
Yes.
Now Manish bhai purchased 7 pens 84 rupees. So 1 pen is equal to how much? 1 into 84 upon 7. 12 rupees. Who got cheaper, 15 or 12?
12. Manish.
Therefore, Manish got pens cheaper. Our answer is over. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
ચલો question number last. Who is going to read this?
Sir, can I?
Turn હતો.
Sir, can I?
Whose turn was there?
Sir, can I read?
Ilma ક્યાં છે Ilma?
Sir, आ रही.
તો read કરો બેટા, તારો turn છે તો. Please read the question number 11.
Okay, sir. Arish made 42 runs in 6 hours and Anup made 63 runs in 7 hours. Who made more runs per
Over. Very easy sum. આમાં બે એકાઉન્ટ બનાવવા પડશે, અનીશ એન્ડ અનુપ. આના 6 ઓવરના રન છે, આના 7 ઓવરના રન છે. If we find 1 over run for this Anish and 1 over run for Anup, we can easily find who made the more runs. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Now Anish made 6 over 42 runs. So 1 over is equal to how much? How many runs? Cross multiply 1 into 42 upon 6. So 42 upon 6, 7 runs in 1 over. બરાબર છે? Girls, 7 runs in 1 over.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Then Anup made 7 made in 7 over 63 runs. So in 1 over is equal to how many runs? Again cross multiply. Anup made 1 over 63 upon 7, 9 runs. Who made more run out of these two? 7 run is greater or 9 run is greater?
9.
Sir, Anu.
9. So Anup bhai made more runs per over. Have you all got this sum?
Yes.
With the help of this sum, we have finished our chapter number 12. First exercise 12.3 we have completed, and with the help of this sum, we have completed our chapter number 12 for semester 2. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
I want all these sums to be done one time in your rough book and one time as regularly you are doing to maintain your fair book. Is that clear? Girls?
Sir, how many
Yes.
questions in
Yes.
rough book? Sir, how many
All
questions
the
in rough
questions
book?
in rough book and all the questions in fair book. Yeah, today in homework, you have to do the questions what we did in the class. Okay, one time as your homework in your rough book. All right?
Yes, sir.
And if you do whole exercise 12.3, it is well and good. It is very good, according to me. But your fair book should be maintained with each and every sums what we did in the class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, have a nice time. Do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well.
Bye, sir.
Enjoy your
Yes, sir.
next
Bye, sir.
lecture.
Bye, sir.